The city streets are loud and gray. I walk through all the noise today, but now my hand is on the key. I leave the rush behind me. I take my shoes off at the door. I let my bags drop to the floor. The heavy weight begins to lift. This quiet room is such a gift. Outside the sirens fade away. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, I'm okay today. The world is spinning out of tune, but it can't reach me in this room. Welcome to my safe haven, where the walls are made of peace. I'm locking out the madness and letting the tension release. Turn down the volume of the street and listen to my own heartbeat. Oh, underneath this roof I am alright. This is my safe haven for the night. Floorboards softly creak. It's like the house begins to speak. A familiar scent, a golden glow. The only place I need to know. I put a record on to play and wash the dust of life away. No emails ringing in my ear, just the simple fact that I'm here. Outside the sirens fade away. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, I'm okay today. The world is spinning out of tune, but it can't reach me in this room. Welcome to my safe haven, where the walls are made of peace. I'm locking out the madness and letting the tension release. Volume of the street and listen to my own heartbeat. Oh, underneath this roof I am alright. This is my safe haven for the night. I don't need to run, I don't need to hide. Got everything I'm looking for right here inside. Safe from the storm, safe from the cold. A little piece of heaven I can hold in my safe haven, where the walls are made of peace. I'm locking out the madness and letting the tension release. Turn down the volume of the street and listen to my own heart.